Is your washing machine supposed to clean clothes but smells like it needs a wash itself? That hidden grime and mold around the door seal, it's not just gross, it's a health hazard. Meet your mold-fighting hero, AZQPOD Heavy Duty Stain Cleaner Gel. This powerful gel clings to surfaces, attacking mold, mildew, and deep-set stains on your washing machine's front loader seal, shower gel, grout, bathroom tile, and more. Just apply, let it sit, and wipe it away. No scrubbing, no stress. Look at that transformation from grimy to gleaming. Your machine is fresh, clean, and safe again. Ready to reclaim your clean? Grab your AZQPOD Cleaner Gel today. Free shipping. Your home deserves it.